Guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. For today's look, I'm going to show you guys how to look like Ingrid Pitt. If you're not familiar with her, of course, I wasn't familiar with her, but from what I heard, she's an actress that was popular in the 60s and 70s. She was famous for her role as in some like vampire-y looks back then. And when I was requested to do this look, I was literally looking at some inspiration photos of her, and I wasn't sure if she had I knew what the signature look was because she's from the 60s, and that's why I have this crazy looking eyeliner look going on, and I wasn't sure if her look looked like it changed in the movies, but I'm assuming, from what I've seen in the photos, it looks pretty much, her makeup looks pretty much the same in the movies, just like I've seen some photos of her, just with from what I can see, a change in different lip colors. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to get Ingrid Pitt's signature look. But anyways, let's get right into the video. Starting with the face, I'm taking e.l.f.'s Blemish Control Face Primer, just applying that mostly around my face to prep my face for the foundation. Now I'm taking this foundation from Wet n Wild. I'm taking this buffing foundation brush and just applying it around my face in areas where I want my acne to be covered up. Then I'm taking their concealer and applying it in some areas where I want some more coverage. Using that same concealer and a large concealer brush, I'm trying to reshape my eyebrows into the way Ingrid has, because she kind of has thin looking eyebrows. To prep the eyes with some eyeshadow, use an eye primer to prep them. To set in the makeup on the face, apply some powder all over your face. Using the shade Cool Taupe from my Lorac Pro 3 palette, I'm applying that all over my lids. Then I'm taking a fluffy blending brush and blending that to my crease. Now I'm taking the shade Blanc from the palette and applying that to my brow bone for some highlights. Taking this black liquid liner, I'm going to use it to line my eyes and create a little cat-eyed wing at the end. Using the same liquid liner, I'm going to use it to line my bottom lash line, create a little winged out line at the end. Might sound weird, but this was a thing in the 60s. Now I'm taking this brow pencil from LA Colors in dark blonde and we use it to fill in my eyebrows. Now curl your lashes and apply some mascara to the top and the bottom. And I'm applying lots and lots of coats of it because I don't feel like wearing falsies. I mean, you can use falsies, but I'm not a falsies person, so I'm applying lots of coats of mascara to my top and bottom lashes. Taking this contour palette from Profusion, I'm using it to contour the sides of my nose and also this little line that she has like under the tip of her nose. I'm also using that same contour palette to contour my cheekbones a little. Then I'm going over the contoured areas with some bronzer to help me give myself that sun-kissed look that it looks like she had on. I'm also applying that bronzer under my jawline and also down my neck as well. Now taking this white shimmery highlighter right here, I'm using it to highlight my nose, cheeks, chin, and a little bit of my forehead. Now I'm taking this peachy colored blush right here and I'm applying it to my cheeks. Now I use a black eyeliner pencil to create a beauty mark on the right side of her eye. Now for lips, I'm going with this LA Colors lipstick and lip gloss duo in Natural, which is a nice natural looking color inspired by this photo right here. And so I'm just applying that to my lips and topping it off with a sheer looking lip gloss to add some shine. And there's the complete 60s look inspired by Ingrid Pitt. So I really hope you guys enjoy this Ingrid Pitt look. Please like this video and subscribe. Comment below any videos you want to do. And since my Danielle makeup look, I have more requests for other character transformations. And one of them I plan on doing it for my summary makeup looks, and it's Olivia Hussey as Juliet from the 1968 movie of Romeo and Juliet. So I'll be doing that for my little summer looks, along with an Alison De Laurentiis makeup look from flashback scenes from Pretty Little Liars. And I was really excited to get a request for like a 60s actress look, because I've been wanting to do a 60s looks for a while, specifically Sharon Tate's. So if you want me to do a Sharon Tate look, let me know in the comments. And stay tuned to next month all throughout May, because I was going to post these videos on Friday, but I think I want to post try to post them on Monday. It's my little mini series of Cruella De Vil makeup looks, starting with the cartoon, and then moving on to the live action version of 101 Dalmatians, and then a Once Upon a Time version of Cruella, and maybe a Disney Descendants version of Cruella, and also finally the Emma Stone version of Cruella. So till then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!